I have actually never had a girlfriend in my whole life. I never felt like I was be crushed or whatever. I never had a girlfriend.
Gusto mo sa isang babae kung ikaw ang mag-EL. And I hope you don't mind. Nagkaroon ka na ba ng relationship and how long it lasted?
I have actually never had a girlfriend in my whole life. I never felt like I was be crushed or whatever. I never had a girlfriend. Of course, I've tried to date. You know, I've run on a few dates in my life, but ended up going into the relationship level. It never really reached there. Yeah. Diba?
Ang taas siguro na standard mo, ano ba hinahanap mo sa isang babae?
Really, it's just someone that I can enjoy spending time with, someone that can make me laugh, really. And also, another important thing is like a girl that is very God-fearing and puts God first in her life is a big factor for me, because that just shows me, you know, the fundamentals of how it is to be a person, you know, it's intact.
Di ba nakaka-pressure mo na walang girlfriend kasi ang dami na nagkakaroon ka ng pressure?
I wouldn't say it's pressuring really. I'm just really not focused on it right now. If the time comes and I find the right one, then I'll be really happy. But as of right now, I'm more focused on my work.
Pag si Natasha naman ang niligawan, gano'n ka-protective yung brothers?
I wouldn't say I'm like super protective naman. Tosh is a great sister and I care for her dearly. And I would really just always want to protect her regardless of what happens or who or whatever.
Will you be hands-on pag kunwari sinuggest na magka-love team ka?
Ikaw pag pili. Anong idea mo yung collab? Are you
For it?
or you'd rather na?
Well, I wouldn't close my doors to anything. There's no final decision really. You know, if the opportunity is there to work with a great actress, why not, right? Diba? I can learn a lot from her and vice versa. But I wouldn't say that I'm looking for one.
Pero may mga shortlisted na sa'yo ang diwa, for example, na Andres, ito yung mga possible mga partner, and what was your reaction?
No, there was no really like possible partners. They didn't really show that to me, and there's nothing really. There was no love team in the options as of right now.
Andres, since ayaw mo mag-crush reveal, sino lang yung mga international crushes mo?
Oh, Kendall Jenner.
No?
I love Kendall Jenner, yeah, definitely. Bella Hadid also. Yeah.
Mga
Those are my, yeah.
model type.
Oo.
Yeah.
Ito na lang, since it's crush, sino yung sa mga actresses natin ngayon, you find them pretty, you find them attractive in a way. Ay, tatlo lang, ano lang.
Top 3.
Hindi crush, kung hindi show crush, oo, ganun.
I can't give you a name really. I can't give you a name. I don't know. There's a lot of pretty girls in the industry, but I just can't give you a name. I'm not sure.
Galing ni Andres. Marunong!
Huwag ka magpapangalan.
Same!
Oo.